We are building a super fun project today, and this will really bring the entire back patio together. No back patio is complete without a grill station or outdoor kitchen, in my opinion. So today I'm walking you through our process of building this super fun project. We have this Traeger grill, and I really want to make that a focal point of our back patio. So for the design of this outdoor kitchen, I have a few things that are really important to me. Prep station, storage, and have the grill be a part of this build and structure and not freestanding. As much as I love the color white and lighter tones, I feel like this outdoor kitchen needs a little bit of contrast from the White House and other things we have on our back patio. So I think painting this outdoor kitchen black will be a major win overall. So I handed all of these ideas off to Dylan, and he came up with a really awesome model. So now we can get started building. Thank you to Total Boat and Wagner for sponsoring this video. This build starts off with 10 2x4s. The first step is breaking all of these down to the different lengths we need. We do have plans available for this project with the material list, cut list, and detailed instructions, so go check those out down below in the description or visit our store page on our website. Once all the 2x4s are cut to length, the next step is drilling pocket holes to put together the frame the grill will sit on top of. So essentially there are two frames, one for the grill to sit on and another one that is taller with a countertop and stainless steel cabinet doors underneath. Now that the two frames are built, we need a base to sit them on, and that's just a basic rectangle with support pieces in between. Small pieces are added in each corner so we can attach some casters for easy mobility over the patio. Next, we are using 3/4 inch pine plywood for the top of the grill frame and the bottom of the cabinet frame. When that is put into place and screwed down, each box can get attached to the base with pocket hole screws as well, and then finally attached to each other. These are casters that we first bought but didn't realize that there was no break, so we ended up switching these out later, and I'll show you when we get there and what those look like. For the sides of the outdoor kitchen, we are using primed T111 siding, and we've had our eye on this for quite some time now, so we are super excited to use this in a project. First, Dylan cut out one side so then we could reference that to match up the seams everywhere else, and used trim head screws to attach them to the cabinet. I know this is a little difficult to see on video, but Dylan drew out the measurements for the entire front of the cabinet and carefully cut out the opening for those stainless steel doors. He used our Ryobi multi-tool to finish off the cuts because of the round circular saw blade once on the cabinet, and that made it a lot easier to just pop out. When we had the back panel cut out, we noticed a little accident and the sheet wasn't cut right. So Dylan cut a little piece off of the offcut exactly where this came out, and it matched perfectly. Once all said and done, you won't even notice anything happened. We moved the cabinet out in the yard to get ready for the finishing stages, but first the siding was flush trimmed all the way around with the Bits and Bits flush trim router bit. This bit is such a staple tool in our shop and useful for so many things. We also routed out the thinner sections of the panels at the corners to make it look seamless all the way around. Dylan added paintable waterproof caulking over every edge to make sure this thing is watertight. We will have a cover over this grill station most of the time, but the caulk will also clean everything up nicely. While that dried, we grabbed our butcher block countertop for the prep area of the grill station. This is a pre-made countertop from the Home Depot and comes already the exact size we need. Wood and water don't go together, but actually the sun can do just as much or more damage than water. To protect this countertop from the elements, we grabbed our trusty Total Boat Clear Gloss Halcyon Varnish and Wagner Sprayer. The Halcyon is such a durable finish that it's made to be outside in the elements, so it'll be a great finish for this outdoor counter. The Halcyon finish is one of our favorites because it's water-based, which means cleaning up is easy, but also because it's very easy to apply. We did 3 to 4 coats using the Wagner Flexio 4300 sprayer. This sprayer is super versatile and affordable. The X-Boost turbine allows you to spray unthinned paints, stains, and sealers. It is a fantastic all-around sprayer. And again, while that dries, we moved back to the cabinet and prepped for spraying our paint with our Wagner Control Pro 130. This is an airless sprayer and so easy to set up and use. The sprayer actually produces 55% less overspray than other airless sprayers, so that means less paint or finish usage. Wagner has tons of sprayer options, and we wanted to show you just a couple of our favorites today. You can check the link in the description to find out more about these 2 sprayers. We chose black paint so that it'll match the back door, but honestly, you cannot go wrong with such a classic color to make a project feel a little more luxurious. So here are the new casters with the break. Same style, a little bit different of a color, but they get the job done. Next, Dylan is cutting a sheet of hardy board to the exact dimension where the grill will sit, and this will get screwed directly to the base. For the butcher block top, we went ahead and added these little brackets to the base. Then we can set the top on and attach it to the base from inside the cabinet. Finally, the last thing, putting the grill into place. This project turned out so good. We love the contrast of the black next to the natural wood fence and the white house. The texture of the siding looks amazing. The stainless steel doors match the handles on the grill perfectly, and we cannot wait to have friends and family out here for a good cookout. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in our next video.